Hi guys. Some functions of Proteus, how it works, what the color of the LED means, and some other things. Okay, put camera in front of me and adjust the focus. I hope that the colors will be visible. Okay. First of all, if you remember, we said that we can think something like up and down, lock and count. I say this because all these functions are in a series on Proteus. That means that if we push 3 times and keep, we go up, 4 times and keep, we go down, and 5 times we lock the device. And if we go to the up menu or to the down menu and we don't push the button to increase or decrease the watts, the device will start counting on what watts we are. Let's see it in action again. Let's see first if it is locked or unlocked. 5 times. Now it is locked. Okay, it was unlocked. And let's start from the beginning to see all the LEDs. When we first put the battery on Proteus, you will see the blue light opens. That means that the device is locked. So when you push battery, the device is always locked. Let's unlock it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's go up. 1, 2, 3, and keep. The red light opens. Don't see the counting. We will talk later about it. Okay, let's go up. 1, 2, 3, and go up 3 times. So 3 watts. Let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep. Let's go down. 1, 2, 3. Lock the device. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the main menu. There's no menu in reality. You don't. There's no need to go in a menu to adjust the wattage. You do it almost on the fly, even if while you vape. It's very easy. Sorry, it's locked. You vape. And let's say that you want to go up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. We want 2 more watts. Let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep. Down. 3 down. It's okay. Let's go down. Again. 3. Okay. Now I want to show you the short circuit. And to do it properly, I will put off the plastic. 1 minute to bring some paper. I wanted to clean a little the connector because of the liquid inside it. Okay, let's take it off. Take off the connector, put out the plastic. So So now we will be able to sort the device. Let's push unlock first of all the device, because we put a new battery on it. Push the button. You see the red light blinking 10 quick times. That means that you have a short on your atomizer or on the Proteus after the electronic. Maybe there is something wrong with the connector, but the connector can't go wrong on Proteus. So the problem will be with your atomizer, and you have to check it. Except you have forgot to put the plastic, and you may have a short on Proteus connector. Okay, let's put it back. The other warning, except the short circuit, is when battery can't vape the watts you have set the device. Let's see how many watts we vape right now. We do this by going to the up menu or to the down menu. The up menu is 3 times and keep. The down menu is 4 times and keep. Let's go to the up menu. 1, 2, 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13. 13. Let's go a little down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go at 11. At 11 watts, no, let's go up, because at 11 watts we will not be able to ruin the battery, and we need to do that to show you what will happen if the watts are very high and the battery can't handle them. So let's go up. We are at 11, and let's say that we want to go up to 20. 1, 2, 3 and keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are at 20 watts. As you see, it still vapes. I will try to run the battery to see what will happen when the battery can handle the watts. When the battery when the battery can handle the watts, you will see 5 white blinks of the LED. When you see that, we can go lower, and you will be able to vape again for a short time. The lower you go, the more time you will vape, until of course the battery drains totally, and you will not able to vape, not even at 5 watts. That is the lowest point of that Proteus can give. As you see, when I push the button, the red light opens to show you that Proteus works. I will not put that function on Proteus on a production line, because I don't think that many people want to see a LED lighting while vaping. I'm trying to ruin the battery. I keep Proteus like this enough times because it's thin and light, and you can do that with your fingers. Resistance is at 0.8, so I can't vape a lot because I will have a burnt taste. I'm trying to ruin the battery with some small inhales. And also, now that I said that, I want to show you that even if you push very quick the button on Proteus, you can't go to a menu. That is a little annoying on electronic devices. Look how quick I push the button and inhale. Also, I made another trick on Proteus. While you go to a menu, Atomizer doesn't work. This is also annoying for the user, and very annoying for the electronic too, that because you ruin battery, while you push the button to go to a menu, Atomizer works on other electronics. Here, Atomizer doesn't work. If you go to the third menu, for example, 1, 2, 3, Atomizer doesn't work. Let's hear it on a camera. Hear it first when it's working. When you go to a menu, 1, 2, 3, you went to a menu, you didn't hear anything, so Atomizer isn't working. Also, another function is that while you're counting watts, or while Atomizer Proteus is blinking for some reason, because of a short, because it can't handle the watts you put on the device because of the battery, and every time you see a warning signal, you can stop it by pushing the button one time. Let's start counting, for example, 1, 2, 3. It starts counting, but I can stop it with a push of the button, because sometimes you don't want to count, but Proteus starts counting because you were late thinking on what watts you want. And if you do that, 1, 2, 3, let's see. If you delay to push the button to go up or down, the LED will start blinking, counting watts. Maybe you want to stop this by pushing the button. The same happens to short circuit with 10 quick blinks of the LED, and the same happens with the 5 slow white blinks when battery can't handle the watts. What else? We show the short circuit, we show the up and down menu, the lock menu, the counting, and now I will try to ruin the battery again to see the 5 white blinks. One quick way to ruin the battery is to push the button like I do. It will ruin the battery very easy. Quick inhales and quick pushes of the button. Okay, I managed to ruin the battery. Let's put this battery that doesn't have enough volts. Now we vape Proteus at 15 watts. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me, unlock first. 1, 2, 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. At 15 watts, if we vape now, you will see the 5 white blinks of the LED. Here they are, 5. Let's try again. Two, 3, 4, 5. You can stop these blinks by pushing one time the button, as I told you before, for all the blinks of the LED. They stop. So we go up with a red light. We go down with a green light. We lock with a blue light, and the warnings are 2. The first one are 3. The first one is that we have a short, and you will see the red light blinking 10 times quickly. The other is that if a battery can't give the watts we ask from Proteus, the white light blinks 5 times. And the other is that if there is no atomizer on speaker mode, the green light will blink 5 times. We can stop this blink too by pushing one time the button. Let's do it again. Push, and it stops. 3 warnings and 2 up and down menu. You will not see any other color on Proteus. It has, you can change the watts on the fly as you saw. It's very easy. There's no reason to go to a menu. Also about this thing, black thing, it will not exist on a production line. It's only because I communicate via computer with my electronic guy and set me new software to put it with a special cable. I put the new software on Proteus every time. That's it. As you see, the regular menu, the menu that you will use most of the times, is very easy. Let's do one more demonstration on how you increase or decrease watts, excuse me. Let's vape with a battery. Unlock first. Every time you push a new battery, device is locked. We unlock 5 times, and we vape. I will vape like this to show you the LEDs. Let's say that we want to go up. 1, 2, 3 and keep. We went 3 watts up. We want to go down. 3 down. I forgot to tell you what about what happens when we reach the limits of watts. Let's say that we want to go totally down, that is 5 watts on Proteus. We go to the second menu, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go down, pushing without counting, and you will see that the green light will stop functioning. That means that we are at 5 watts. That is the lowest point. If we go up, we will see the same thing. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Push the button to go up to 30 watts. You see that the red light doesn't blink anymore, stops blinking. So we are at 30 watts. 30 watts can't be vaped from the battery, and I would like you not to do it because you may damage the electronic that can go up to 30 watts on one hand, but the battery can't handle those watts, and maybe damage your electronic part. Now that we are on limits, something that you have to know. If we try to measure the watts we are, and we go to the up menu, Let's see what will happen. 1, 2, 3, and keep. The up menu will not count because it has reached the upper limit. So when we are on the upper limit, we go to the down menu to count VATs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, it starts counting. When we are to the down menu, when we are to the lowest point of VATs, the down menu can't count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't count, so we go to the up menu to count the volts, the VATs. All these functions will be written to a paper, or I will make the DVD demonstration, something like this, to make you understand how it works if you have a problem, because you can't remember all those functions, but the main thing is that you go up and down very quickly, and that was my purpose, because all people, including me, do only the up and down menu. There is not something else that you want to see, except for counting the VATs. Maybe there is not something that you must remember from the functions, that it can't, that Proteus can't count VATs when you are on the upper limit of VATs or to the lower limits of VATs. You just go to the up menu, and if it doesn't count, you go to the down menu, and you will count. I think that I covered all situations. If there's something more, we can talk for it later on forum. Thanks for watching. Bye.